Hi guys, today we're playing BeamNG.drive. Once again, we're gonna do a lot of crashes. So here we go. This, and open the doors. We're in the Gravel Tea series, carrying some tasty cola. And this map is called Pepper Valley, just in case you wanted to download it. So go to like the repository and click and search up Pepper Valley, and then yeah. We're gonna crash. I'm tired of looking at this truck. We're carrying tasty cola. We need to deliver the tasty cola. Bro, no way. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, we're gonna go to West Coast. Actually, I want to show you guys this new map that I found. It's called SSRB. It's like this map from like, so you know those those videos where like they like drove this car, those semi trucks, and it had a lot of trailers, and it has a lot of them have this map on it, and I finally found it because I've been looking for it. It's called SSBR. What's this map called? It's called SSRB. So here we go. We're gonna drive some trucks today. Flat jet. Whoa, this semi truck is fast. Gosh dang, we're going 170, 180, 109. We're going 200 in a semi truck. 250. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. Bro, I popped two of my tires. My tires is broken. That tire's popped too. Why didn't I say it? Oh my gosh. My tire's dead. My tire is dead. Bro, I'm not good driving. I'm not good driver. I'm not a good driver. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm drifting. I'm drifting in a semi. Oh yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Can I still drive? What? I'm still driving. Alright guys, I have this boost feature. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, ready to restart. Wait, we should put something on there. Like, what do we have? What kind of mask do we have? I got something. It is. I turned off the engine. Here we go. Wait, I don't want the shoe to fall off. Alright, let me connect this. Attach it to the trailer. Now it can't fall off. It's just gonna be hanging off the side. We gotta deliver this to the guy, and we are 2 hours late, so we better get there. And we only have 5 minutes left to get there, so I picked this truck to go. I like the way it's fun. I love honking the horn. Oh no! We're spinning out! Ah! Okay. Alright, she's gone. We're gonna try this again and inside. Oh, look at that sleeper. I heard that you can make road trains in this game. Bro, I made a road train one time when I was playing multiplayer. It was so long. We need to get rid of you. Guys, we're gonna make a road train. Now I'm gonna make a road train while you. Okay, guys, here we go. We have our beautiful road train. So we have a flatbed with pieces of wood. We have a container trailer. It says Falk on it. Oh my god. We have this thing. We have this giant spinner. We have a log trailer, and of course, we have a drive-in trailer. Oh my gosh, we really need to turn that trailer off. It's diffs, bro. It's making everything shake. Why is it? That thing just wants a negative 100. Okay, we're gonna have to do something quick. It's not gonna take long, so please don't click off the video. I'm almost done. It might actually be not. Here we go. In the road, train trailer. Oh my gosh. Actually, never mind. Okay, here we go. And the road train trailer. We're in a road train truck. You know what? Just forget it. Gosh dang, it exploded like great. Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. I hate this road train so much. What part of me made me create this monstrosity of a road train? I don't think road train's supposed to look like this. Road train's supposed to look like this. Okay. I gotta do one more thing. Connect. Connected. 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 Okay, we're ready to go. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna make this the thumbnail. Look at this. We got wood. We got a container. We got whatever that is. We got spinning thing. We got logs. We got a drive-in trailer. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Comment if I should do a police chase with this thing. If I should get some, I want to get some AI after we run it and drive it around. And I'm gonna get AI, like I'm gonna put it back there, and I'm gonna get like them to chase me. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna turn on that trailer and stuff, and that's gonna be insane. Do you think road trains actually? I saw a road train video. It's only 2 trailers. I was expecting the video to show this and this in the video. I thought red trains looked like this. I thought they looked like this. I can't wait to get to that tunnel. Ooh. What happens if I swerve it? Oh no! Wait, that was a horrible idea. Wait, which way is that wheel? Oh my gosh, look at this. Australia, just a heads up, why can't we make our trains look like this? And I want our trains. These things like it's... Wait, there's nothing in there. Oh crap. Oh, everything's gonna slide into that now. Wait, what is this look like at night? Ooh, I never seen this place at night. Oh, I like it like this. This place gives me nostalgia. Like, I feel like I've been here before. But it's not even a real place. Dun, 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 dun. We're almost at the tunnel, my favorite part. Alright guys, we need to crash this thing. I want to see this thing crash. Okay. Wait, we should put like a bus. Yeah, we should. Yeah, let's put a jump. Why is this jump so expensive? Alright, when we get to the end of the tunnel. Pratos, matos, vatos, guy. Oh my god. Let's get to it. Okay, so something's waiting at the end of the tunnel for us. Okay, we are going in this kind of tunnel. This is gonna look insane. Look at this. Inside. This my favorite game. Okay, I see the jump. See it? We're gonna hit it, but we're also gonna do like slow motion. I just learned how to do the slow motion with the keyboards. Let's use it. Wait, was it? Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, that would be crazy. Look at this. We haven't checked out back here. Look back here. Let's open the doors. Oh. Okay, they're opening. Oh my gosh, we just hit the ground. The logs. I forgot. Oh, this actually has cardboard boxes. Look at the logs. I'm gonna grab one. I just grabbed one. Look, it's falling. Go, buddy, go. You're the only kind that will fall. Go, buddy, go. Come on, hit the ground. Okay. Oh my gosh, just focus at the truck. Look at my container. Why is there a giant fan? What happens to the cardboard? The cardboard box is just chilling in here. Okay, we're gonna do like. No time. Come on, we have to see that thing crash. Oh wait, we can still move. Ugh. Oh, that's better. Yeah, we're stuck now. Jump. Okay, let's get the cops. Okay, we have them all here. We haven't turned on. We need to turn on this trailer. Okay. Now we're just gonna click AI. Chase me? Oh, here they're coming. They are coming. We better go. We are now. Oh no! They better not. They can't really get to me because. Oh, we're leaving one of the trailers. I guess. Okay. There's no trying to really get it back. Are they coming? Oh crap! They are. Hopefully they get hit. That'd be almost. Yeah, they're right there. You can see them. They're cooked. Yeah, they're definitely. Right? Oh, the most brutal police chase ever. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're still trying to get me. The rest of them died. Oh, it's trying to. Oh, it's blowing up. The trailer's blowing everything up. Oh, I can't go anymore. Okay. I'm leaving the trailers behind. Oh, they're coming. Yeah, they're coming. Okay, bro, this semi-truck's fast by itself. Bro, this thing's pretty fast. Oh, he's gaining. Wait, can I trick him? Oh my gosh! I just got pitted. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, let's go see the damage. What happened to the trailer? Okay, so most of them just like tried to hit me by the log trailer and yeah, that wasn't a good idea. Where's that? These like we just tapped them. I forgot about that. Why does it say he's fine? Wait, what happened here? Did the like Did this thing explode or something? Because, like, look, it started twisting everything. Well, that's it for today, guys. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna make a thumbnail now.